Hi guys, it's Stallington Road Level Crossing in Staffordshire with Joe, Spike and Callow.
Joe, Callow, 599 Frog.
Alarm skip.
Did you hear the alarm skip, Joe?
Okay then.
There we go. Now,
Time 16:18 on Saturday the 14th of November 2015, and this is for our 16:21 1 kilo 19 East Midlands train from Derby to Crewe.
Great.
What happened?
Andrew's texting me on the flipping find iPhone. Utter bull today, Joe. You missed the train, claiming it was early. 15:45 arrived 1 minute later at 15:46. Be earlier, Shane's Pizza is waiting.
Pizza? What the?
I don't have a clue.
Joe, well Joe, do you have to do it? I've already said it.
Right.
No,
Yeah, I'm doing it. I don't even know what it is myself yet.
I just told you.
This is for our 16:21 1 kilo 19 East Midlands train service from Derby to Crewe. I'm keeping it in this pocket, so I'm used to doing this.
Which will be the Lincoln Castle Explorer, whatever that is, and 308. Shane will just be waiting for the train to pull into the station. Yeah, I can see Blythe Bridge's lights from here. Right off in the distance, I don't know if my camera can pick up the flashing. That red thing there you can see, that is the level crossing lights of doom. Going at 140 miles an hour. There's Blythe Bridge. And somewhere over there is Caverswell, or Cresswell, whatever it was. Cresswell, is it Cresswell?
Cresswell,
the
yeah.
HB, yeah.
Caverswell up there, which is the AHB's Cresswell.
Yeah.
And
somewhere over there, Cresswell would have been up. And we have...
your red light
and we have...
Spike.
158, whatever it was, I've forgotten. What's the Lincoln Castle Explorer?
47.
158 487.
158 47.
847, sorry. The Lincoln Castle Explorer again. So 158 308 and 158 347. The Lincoln Castle Explorer.
No singing train guard this time, and
Up she goes. Oh God! This is doing the what's it called? Oh, I've forgotten the name of it. Thanks for watching the next video.